বর্তমানে কোভিড-19 নামক ভাইরাসের কারণে আমাদের প্রত্যেকের জীবনে নতুন অভ্যাসের সূচনা হয়েছে। বদল এসেছে প্রত্যেকের জীবনে। তবে আমাদের আইটি এবং আইটিইএস ক্লাস কিন্তু বন্ধ নেই। আমাদের ইতিমধ্যে শেখা হয়ে গেছে টেলিফোনিক ইন্টারভিউ এবং ফেস টু ফেস ইন্টারভিউ। আজকে 11 এর ছাত্রছাত্রীরা আমাদের এই বিষয়টি আপনাদের সামনে তুলে ধরছে। প্রথমেই আমি হৈমন্তিকা গুহ এবং নীলাদ্রি পলকে অনুরোধ করছি তাদের টেলিফোনিক ইন্টারভিউ এই বিষয়টি আপনাদের সামনে তুলে ধরার জন্য।
Hello, good morning. I am Hoimontika Guho, NSQF Department Manager at Kolkata in West Bengal. Am I talking with Mr. Niyadripal?
Yes, Miss Hoimantika. I am Niladripal. Happy evening.
We had resumed and gone through your profile. It seems very nice. Can I have interaction for a few minutes with you?
Yes, Miss Hoimantika.
Can you tell me about yourself?
Yes, my name is Niladripal. I am a student of class 11 at Jadavpur Vidyapit School in Kolkata. I completed my Madhyamik examination in this year with 93% marks. I am an IT and ITS hardware and networking aspirant who has learned about installation of operating system, PC assembling and formatting, installation servers and routers. I live in Kolkata with my parents. My father's name is Liton Pal and my mother's name is Chandrani Pal. I have not any experience for a job. This is my first interview for a job.
Okay, fine. What do you know about us?
I see that your company does a lot of projects which is quite interesting. What is the position for me in this job?
This is an entry-level position. I do not require a lot of experience. I am willing to train a new person.
That is great.
Okay, now let me ask you a few quick questions. Assuming that you selected, what will your strategy for next 60 days?
If I am selected for this position, I use my role carefully in terms of increasing the overall profitability.
You do not mind working long hours, do you?
No, I do not.
Can you handle pressure?
Yes, I can.
Will you be okay in taking a salary cut?
I believe that at one point of time in career, self-actualization become more important.
What you do to improve your knowledge?
It is extremely important to keep abreast with the new technological developments, and this needs me to take some time out of my work schedule so that I can keep sharpening myself.
What are your strengths? Why should I hear you?
My strengths are I am a good typewriter, I have a positive attitude, I am disciplined, self-motivated and hardworking person. I like to learn new things and gather knowledges from outside.
Tell us some of your weakness and how do you plan to overcome it?
I am not comfortable until I finished my work in the given time. So I always work hard to finish that work in the given time.
How do you rate communication skills?
In the scale of 1 to 10, it is 9.
Is there any particular kind of person you cannot work with?
No,
What qualities would you look for in your senior?
intelligence, good sense of humor, etc.
What motivates you at work?
New challenges.
Are you planning to go for further studies?
Yes,
Tell us something about your hobbies.
my hobbies are playing guitar and drawing pictures in my free time.
For how long do you expect to stay with our organization?
I will stay here as far as I see an opportunity for growth and stability in workplace.
What is more important to you, money or success?
I would choose success. The reason being, if one is successful, money always follows and you need not focus on money over success.
Okay, Mr. Niladripal, thank you for attending the interview. We will let you know the updates at the earliest. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Hoimantika.
ধন্যবাদ হৈমন্তিকা দি এবং নীলাদ্রি দাদা, এরপর আমরা যে বিষয়টি দেখতে চলেছি সেটি হলো ফেস টু ফেস ইন্টারভিউ। আমি আকাঙ্ক্ষা সাহা এবং দেবরাজ দেকে অনুরোধ করব আপনাদের সামনে এই বিষয়টি তুলে ধরার জন্য।
Hello, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Take your seat, please.
Thank you, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Debraj De.
Okay, Devdat. So why are you interested in working for this IT sector?
Actually, I have wanted to work in this organization for a long time. So when I heard about a vacancy in your company that fit my profile, I immediately applied for it. I'd love to be a part of an organization.
Okay. What is your greatest strength?
I am a natural problem solver. I find it rewarding to dig deep and uncover solutions to challenges. It's like solving a puzzle. It's something I have always excelled at and something I enjoy. Much of product development is about finding innovative solutions to challenging issues, which is what drew me to this career path in the first place.
Okay, that's great. So what current certificate do you have?
When I first started as an IT manager at Wing Company, I realized the business would be more productive if we switched to a multi-cloud infrastructure. I earned Google Certificate Professional Cloud Architect certification, which allowed me to develop cloud-based apps for the company. I am also currently enrolled in a course to get my C++ certification.
Oh, it's nice. So what coding language are you comfortable with?
I am proficient in 6 coding languages like Python, JavaScript, Java, C++, CSS, and HTML. I am also a quick learner and am passionate about coding.
It's really so nice. Can you tell me about a challenging software project you completed successfully?
Reveals the candidate's software development knowledge and experience, as well as their problem-solving skills.
What are the benefits of cloud computing?
Test the candidate's knowledge and understanding of the subject.
Okay. Why do you want to leave your current company?
I have put in a number of years in my current organization, performed well and risen through the ranks. But I would now like something more challenging. I believe this job will provide me with exactly such an opportunity.
Okay. Why should we hire you?
I have a passion for application development that has grown stronger over the course of my 5-year career. The company's mission aligns with my personal values and from my limited time in the office. I can already tell this is the sort of positive culture in which I would thrive. I want to work for a company that has the potential to reshape the industry, and I believe you are doing just that.
Okay. What is your salary range expectation?
My salary expectation is between INR 30,000 and INR 35,000, which is the average salary for a candidate with my level of experience in this city. However, I am flexible.
Okay. Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Nice to meet you, Devdat. Please submit 2 copies xerox of your biodata and your all qualification certificate in the reception. If you get this job, you will get a phone call from our office.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. Take care.
ধন্যবাদ আকাঙ্ক্ষাদি এবং দেবরাজ দা। আশা করি আমার দাদা দিদিদের এই ছোট্ট নিবেদনটি আপনাদের মনোগ্রাহী হয়ে উঠবে। ধন্যবাদ।